So the cavity wall membrane's on. I put it on this wall, on the opposite wall, and the wall just off camera. I'll put the pictures up as I talk you through it. So it's all been plugged, it's all been injected. It's been injected on the bottom of this wall internally. And all I need to do is go outside and do the injection cream outside. But for now, I've cut the plaster boards, so I'm going to mix up some dot and dab, and we're going to stick the boards on, get them level, and I'll show you how to do that. Whenever you're doing cavity wall membrane and you're dot and dabbing straight over the top of it, you're going to notice that all membrane moves all over. So to compensate for that, you need to just put a little bit more on than what you normally would on a normal brick wall. So I'll start off putting it on. So when you put your dabs on and you've cut your board already, all dabs are done all the way across this section. And if you notice at the bottom here, I've put 2 packers down, and that's just so plaster board's not touching floor, which is something you don't want when there's a damp area. So start off by putting bottom off your board in first, and put it up to the section of board that I've already put on. And just get that in, just try and eye it in so that that's sort of where it needs to be, and just push the top in like slightly, not too much. Get a 6 foot level ideally, and just make sure that that's as level as it's going to be, and just check your level as well. And as you can see, that's mint, spot on. And just make sure it's in line with the other plasterboard that I put in around this unit here. And you can't really plaster on top of this until it's like properly dry, you know, because it'll just move all over and start cracking. And that's it. That's done. And then just come back when it's a little bit drier and just fill that top section here, and put a piece of plasterboard across here, another one on top, and do this reveal on the side. And when you dot and dab this side, just make sure you feed it into the board that you've already put on, and make it solid all the way down. And make sure your dot's like thicker than plasterboard, so when you dab it and you stick it on, the plaster behind just sort of pushes that out way, and that's what you want. So we're going to get 6 foot level and just check, make sure that's alright. That's where it needs to be. Then we're going to get a 3-foot level for the reveal. And just make sure that's level and square. And then we're going to put a piece in here and a piece on top, and then I'll re-stick that sill down that were on there originally. But I'll come back to that.